Hi everyone, welcome back. I have another quick unboxing for you guys today. I know I've done a few of those over the past little while, but they are actually my favorite videos to watch, so hopefully you guys still like these. I guess I'll tell the story kind of as I unbox, but these purchases were not planned. Anyway, I'll get into it and then I'll explain, but I'll start with, so I have 3 items, 1 from Gucci and 2 from Louis Vuitton. So I'll start with the Gucci item. So this one, I had a gift card for Nordstrom from Christmas, and there is a Gucci in one of my local Nordstrom stores. So I went in thinking that I would put the gift card towards something in Gucci. I just wasn't sure exactly what. So this is what I ended up with, and I'm still slightly unsure about it, so maybe you guys can give me some opinions in the comment section. So that's the bag it came in, and this is a true unboxing. I got this yesterday and haven't opened it yet. So that's the box, the packaging, that's the receipt. Let's put that to the side. This is the box. So I always kind of, or I guess I never thought I would get an item like this, a luxury item like this, because I didn't think it was, I don't know, the most practical thing, but yeah, I really liked it when I saw it yesterday. So this is the box it came in. Oh, all the tags and things came. So there's a bunch of little booklets here. I don't know, those look like the same booklet actually, and a tag. And then it's really, the packaging is really pretty here. I'm trying not to wreck it. And here is the item I got. This is the Gucci Marmont phone case. So like I said, I didn't really ever think I'd get a luxury phone case because, you know, if I end up getting a new phone and it doesn't fit, then it's kind of a waste. But when I put this on my phone, because I mean, I'm filming on my phone right now, so I can't show you, but my phone is the iPhone 7 and it's in the rose gold, and it matches this pink perfectly. And it just looked really pretty. And since I had a gift card, I thought, you know, why not spend it on something a little more frivolous? But the other item I was looking at was the Gucci Marmont Super Mini. That's the really tiny Marmont bag that everyone seems to be getting lately. And they had it in that off-white color, and I really like the off-white. I think that's my favorite of the colors it comes in. So I was debating between putting my gift card towards that or getting this phone case, and I ended up with the phone case, but now I'm kind of questioning whether I should exchange it for the Super Mini. I don't know, you can let me know what you think. Now, the reason I didn't get the Super Mini, the main reason was, if you watched my last unboxing, I got the Dior, the Star, that new Star line. I got the wallet on chain in cream, and it has the gold hardware, the kind of aged gold hardware. And I thought, you know, it's a small cream bag with aged gold hardware. The Super Mini is a small cream bag with aged gold hardware. Do I really need 2 that are kind of going to serve the same purpose? I don't know. So anyway, you can let me know what you think. I'm still debating, but this did look really cute on my rose gold iPhone. So that is the first item that I got. Put it back in the box there for now. So the next item is from Louis Vuitton, and it came in the beautiful Christmas bag still, which I was happy about. So this is the receipt, and the SA gave me the newest catalog and gave this sheet of stickers to my daughter, so that's what that is. And the beautiful Christmas packaging, so pretty. Let's see if I can slide this ribbon off. And it's a drawer pull box. And that's something on the dust bag here. Hang on. There we go. It's the dust bag. And this is the zippy coin purse. Not sure what the exact name of it is, but it's the dog from the Valentine collection. And I actually got this because my daughter, when I showed her a picture of it, she loved it. She and I both love dogs, but she especially loves dogs. And when she saw this, she was like, "Mommy, you have to get this." And last year I really liked the owl collection and didn't get a bag or wallet in it because I was kind of unsure about it. So I ended up just getting the bag charm, which I have here just to compare to show you. So I really like the owl bag charm. It's really cute. So I thought I'd get the zippy coin purse in this since she loved it so much, and I think it's really cute too. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I thought it was really cute actually, and the details are really pretty. And the interior is pink. And the last time I got a zippy coin purse was actually almost 10 years ago. I bought the Damier or zippy coin purse in Paris on my honeymoon in 2008. So this, I was due for a new zippy coin purse anyway. Let me see, the tags are in here for the, so this is zippy coin purse, monogram, dogs, Valentine, I guess it is. And the textile card. So yeah, I'm happy I found it. They only had one at the store that I went to. They also had the bigger zippy wallet, which I don't really use a giant wallet anymore, so this is definitely more practical for me. I didn't see any other items in this that this one wasn't even out on display. They I guess someone had it on hold and then didn't end up purchasing it, so I was lucky that I was able to get this. So that was that item, and that one I guess was kind of planned because we went in to look for that after I showed my daughter a picture of it. Now, while he was packaging up that item, I was looking around and saw these, and I couldn't resist, so I ended up making another purchase at the same time. So the receipt again, so I had a second receipt because I had purchased the zippy coin purse first and then ended up getting these two. So this is the newest catalog. I think I actually already got this in the mail, but he gave us that with the stickers that go with it. And then beautifully packaged again in the Christmas ribbon. And it's a drawer box, so you can probably guess what these are. So it's the booklet that comes with Louis Vuitton shoes. And I think these are extra laces, so now you can definitely guess what these are. So I picked up my second pair. If you saw my last unboxing, I bought the Wonderland Ranger boots, and love them so much. And so I picked up these, and oh my gosh, the name of them is slipping my mind right now again. Let me just take a look at my receipt for these so I don't give you the wrong name. Front row sneakers, is that? I think that's what they're called. I'll double check that, but that's what it says on the receipt. So these are in the classic monogram with the rose gold. They also had them with the black detail here, but I love the rose gold. It's so pretty. And yeah, I just think they're really cute. I've just gotten into more luxury or designer shoes. So I bought, in the last little while, some Chanel, a pair of Chanel's, the Louis Vuitton boots, and a pair of the Gucci sneakers, and I just thought these would be a really nice addition. Yeah, I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. I think they'll kind of go with everything. And they're really good for my lifestyle, which is pretty casual. And they're very comfortable. When I tried them on, I was like, wow, these are really comfy. So I got the 37.5, which is my size. I'm usually a 7.5 or an 8, so they fit pretty true to size. Show you the other one. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to wear them quite yet because there is a lot of snow here right now, but I am very excited for when the snow melts and I can actually wear these. So those are my purchases from yesterday. Yeah, these sneakers were definitely not planned, but I think I'm really happy that I got them because I had looked at them online before and they're always sold out. It seems like the shoes online are always sold out in my size anyway, and in most sizes, so I was happy to find those in my size. So thanks so much for watching. Please let me know your opinions about the phone case. Should I keep the phone case or should I exchange it for the Super Mini? And obviously I'll have to pay the difference. Yeah, I can't decide. I don't know. I'm torn. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle on Instagram is FashionJunkie33. Have a wonderful day. Bye.